It was your decision to play the full season.
Oh, goody, I was hoping for some hecklers at this, my...
Goody. Goody.
Goody, I was hoping for some hecklers at this, my...
I'll take 3 boxes of Samoas and a Thin Mints.
Don't forget my tagalongs.
They're called peanut butter patties now. Why must...
Patty. Patty.
They're called peanut butter patties now. Why must...
I'm sorry, I can't handle this pressure. It's only a matter of time before I start eating my eyelashes again.
Eyelash. Eyelash.
Before I start eating my eyelashes again.
Oh, come on, get a stairwell. Your timer.
Merci.
Timer. Timer.
Your timer.
Merci.
This calls for a margarita. This calls for a margarita.
Margarita. Margarita.
This calls for a margarita. This calls for a margarita. Too much, too late. Your first reaction said everything, and your second one was just annoying.
Annoy. Annoy.
And your second one was just annoying. He has no money. I mean, the man lives in a dumpster. We're such a snob.
Snob. Snob.
We're such a snob.
Max! You're in love with that cute mochaccino homeless guy with the Jew fro?
Fro. Fro.
With the Jew fro? A heart wants what it wants. Plus, he told me he was friends with the mutant ninja turtles and they were
Mutant. Mutant.
friends with the mutant ninja turtles and they were
Oh, you love that I live here. Do you love anything else?
Well, I love the Karate Kid movies until...
Karate. Karate.
Well, I love the Karate Kid movies until... I will mean it.
I can totally wait. I love you, Max.
Nice try, Sneaky.
Sneaky. Sneaky.
Nice try, Sneaky. Please, someone else come right now.
I brought some homemade kimchi bindae-duck. Would you...
Kimchi. Kimchi.
Brought some homemade kimchi bindae-duck. Would you...
I got wasted and cannonballed into the lake there once. It was frozen. Shattered my pelvis.
Pelvis. Pelvis.
It was frozen. Shattered my pelvis. Good. It was frozen. Shattered my pelvis. Good times.
Hey, I know that place. Fairmont Chateau on Lake Louise.
Chateau. Chateau.
Fairmont Chateau on Lake Louise. So I'm even more confused. What's confusing? The foam is diarrhea.
Diarrhea. Diarrhea.
The foam is diarrhea. I am not going to be the other woman. Despite the fact that I'm literally lying in trash, I am not trashy.
Trashy. Trashy.
I am not trashy. As in ice or pits.
No, he just goes by Berg for short. You know.
Berg. Berg.
No, he just goes by Berg for short. You know.
At the New York hospital?
Yeah. You know, I once left a purse and 2 feet of my large intestine there.
Intestine. Intestine.
And 2 feet of my large intestine there.